Oh, fuck. Ready? Go! Oh, oh! Oh! No! I'm sorry, it's gonna drive me crazy that every time it gets brought up, it's gonna just bring it back down. Now he's like presenting his fat booty to me. Oh my goodness. Ah, that was too far. Damn it. Nobody steal my turn. I flipped him over. That's good shit. Don't steal my turn. Don't steal my turn. Let me play. Okay. Oh god. No! What the hell? It said I had 4 seconds and then it... Oh. Chat, I'm gonna cry. Chat, this game is gonna make me cry.
Ready? Go.
Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Fuck, that was too far, that was too far, that was too far. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, dude. I hate it. Fuck, stop, stop, stop. Yes, 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 yes. No, 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 no. Now he ruined it. Now he's just fuck stupid. The level 3 ones are so hard. Oh my god.